Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the torque screws and the hidden center screw so you can open the shell. This gives direct access to the joystick module. Once the shell separates, use a plastic spudger to pry clips. Metal can mar plastic and pins. Make sure to remove the battery pack and carefully unplug ribbon cables. You do not want power present while you touch the potentiometer. This first step prevents shorts and sets you up to replace or clean the stick safely. Once the joystick module is accessible, unclip or desolder connections while noting orientation. Photograph if needed so you can restore wiring correctly. You should inspect the potentiometer for grit, corrosion, or a torn dust cover. These are common causes of drift. If the part is dirty, spray electronic contact cleaner and actuate the stick repeatedly to dislodge particles. If cleaning fails or the potentiometer shows mechanical wear, replace the module with an OEM or known compatible replacement. Installation is the reverse of removal. You reassemble by reconnecting ribbon cables and the battery, then snap the shell closed and reinstall screws, tightening gently so clips align. Once reassembled, plug into the console or PC and calibrate in Xbox settings. Test all axes and verify dead zones are acceptable. If drift or intermittent inputs persist, consider replacing the module again or reflowing solder joints where wires attach. A poor solder joint or grounding issue often causes inconsistent behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: if drift remains.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.